Good morning. Today is day 156 of my Appalachian Trail through hike. We just got dropped off back at the trailhead and we're going to try to hike 17.5 miles today. I've got some nice new shoes on. They're about to get really muddy. I don't know what we're doing. We're
gonna walk 3.5 miles.
And then we're gonna walk
get some water, and then we're gonna walk another 4 miles.
And then we're gonna walk
and then
another.
Hopefully we're gonna have some lunch.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna walk some more.
Walk some more? Okay. Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
So we're gonna get to Maine today.
We're gonna get to Maine today. It's exciting. We also passed 1,900 miles, but somehow we missed the 3 different markers that were on the ground that Asobo told us about yesterday. So yeah, didn't get a picture with that one, unfortunately, but we've still hiked 1,900 miles. Well, would you look at that? Views! Woohoo! Oh, it's been days. So much for dry new shoes. It's cold up. That's our trail. The waterfall. That's where we're going. Yay! You good? We are on the summit of Mount Success, which is the last peak in New Hampshire. So we have just about successfully hiked all of NH. There's a hole?
There. Yeah, it's stuck. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Alrighty.
Alright. See if I can get up there.
There it is. There's my elevation marker. Ah.
Now we've made it. Okay.
Maybe 1955.
Now we're on the summit. A few miles to
Camp.
But something exciting is happening before that.
Oh.
Guess we're going up there. Looks fun. We are headed to the Carlo Coal tent site. 2 miles. Ooh. Of course, it's a big old mud pit. Yeah, so we found the New Hampshire Maine state line. we made it to the turnoff for the campsite that we're staying at. Nice introduction to Maine with some boulders we had to climb down and around. So tomorrow's gonna be quite fun, doing a whole heck of a lot more of that. Happy to be at camp soon, and where I can make some dinner. I made it to the shelter and I had some dinner, and it's just getting dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in my sleeping bag and try to get some sleep. Hopefully this guy doesn't snore all night long. But thank you so much for watching, and mighty fine hiking, everyone. Bye.